Wait, one second. Good everybody, good everyone. Welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how about creation wireframe 3D using Adobe Illustrator. For the highlight is next coming up, I will be showing you at the following. Okay, let's be watching at the highlight. Okay, in the tutorial, I will be showing you how about create a 3D wireframe as the following. It's similar a circle look like this. That's highlight preview in the tutorial. So before we are going to watch for the tutorial together, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the button to be able to receive the notification when you are having uploaded the video clips into the YouTube channel. Okay, let's see and watch it together as following. Okay, let's go. So go to open the Illustrator. It's similar look like this. First, for the first one, we go to create new layer. So write down name of the 3D wireframe. Yeah, 3D wireframe. Yeah. Okay. For the other preset, no need to change anything. Just click create. Okay, it is for before we are going to draw and put down the wireframe in 3D. So go to create background, is go to a layer here. So write down a name here, background. Okay. Okay. So for this, go to the stroke, no need, select none here. Okay, and the color, select blue. After select the colors, you go to the rectangle tool here, select this one and go to the top left corner and select the intersect, and after that drag down to the bottom right, put down. After we have put it down, so select this one and click out of the layer, and the second time go to the color and select the soft blue, look like this, or other colors, no problem. It's up to you for your design in this background here. So select this one and go to mesh tool, select and put down in the pitch of the layer here, look like this. Okay, the first one we have finished create a background already. So go to the layer and lock here. After we have locked the layer, go to the add new layer, right down here, 3D frame here. Okay, right down. So for the next, go to the rectangular grease tool and select here and put down. Okay, put down rectangle grease tool option. So in this case, we select the number of 20, 30, 40, no problem for the number of skew, and that's vertical 40, or 60, no problem. According to you, to your desire about this. Okay, just click this. Okay. Okay, right now the rectangle tool grease is put down already. So we have to add a rectangle tool. So go to the symbol. Yeah, symbol here. If you could not see the symbol here, so the first you go to the window and select the scroll down and select the symbol. Yeah, the symbol is looks like this. Okay, if we don't need, if we don't see the symbol in here, it's okay. So sorry, in this rectangle tool grease, so we have to select the stroke. In this case, select the white, black, no problem. Okay. After that, go to the symbol and select all the rectangle and drag down to push create a name new symbol. Okay, using the symbol option, default name, and just click OK. After we have pushed into the symbol already for the next, for the original rectangle 2, please that we have to delete. Okay. So for the next step, go to the ellipse here and put down. For the ellipse, we can 400, 300. Example, in this tutorial, you select 400 pixel, or you can select 300, 500. Okay, no problem. Okay, just click it. Okay. After that, go to alignment horizontal, and the second time vertical. You see right now the circle is a center of the layer already here. Okay. After that, select and select here and press A. You can see press A and select on the left and delete. Okay. Right now we can see half of the circle. Okay. Select. After that, go to the strokes. Select strokes here. Select none, and fill. Select Y8. After we have finished half of the circle, after that, go to the effects and go to the 3D and select the revolve here. Okay, right now you can see in the 3D revolve option, so go to the brush setting, select diffuse setting, and just preview here, preview, and go to the map art here. Okay, for the first one, we have to add the rectangle grease right to the symbol already. Okay, so go to select none and select the, you can see a new symbol here. Select, you see. Let's go to score fist. See, score fist here. In this invisible geometry, select. Okay, select. After that, we have go to OK. So for the position, you can drag up to you. You can drag right top down in no problem. You can see. Okay. Okay, if good enough, just click this OK right now. Okay. You can see. Is he doing about? Okay, that's all. I hope that this tutorial is useful for you how to create a 3D frame by using Adobe Illustrator. I hope that this tutorial is useful for you. Okay, finally, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the button. You will be receiving notification whenever I have been uploaded video tutorial into Leum YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next clip. Bye bye.